bar spoon. Hold it like this, and then put middle finger, then the next one, and again this, and move it here, and middle, fourth, second, here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will hold the spoon here, this way, and then you will move your hand here, and then release your spoon and hold it just with 2 fingers, and do this move. Then again, help yourself with the thumb, and move it here. Then here, and just hold it with 2 fingers, then take it and move here. Then again release and move here, and then here. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and pum, 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 pum. So this move is like this one plus this one. To start to learn it, you have to be good with this move, you have to be good with this move, and the next step, do this move, but hold your hand not this way, hold it this way. Hold it with 2 of your fingers, like this, and then here, here, and here, and here. Pum, 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 pum. And it will look like this. 1, 2, pum, pum, pum. 1, 2, pum, pum, pum.